Focus matters. This is why our lasers come with either a manual or automatic focal adjustment. Here we see a manual adjustment. This allows for parts with varying thicknesses to be marked successfully. Simply twist the dial to adjust the height of the laser. As the laser is focused through the lens, the energy of light is focused into a powerful, accurate beam. Going beyond the focal point, the laser is no longer focused, and here we see it is not marking. The lens size controls the distance between the object and the part, and also controls how large the marking area is. Here we see the marking capability of the laser. The speed and power determine the quality of the mark. If we want this mark brighter, we can slow the speed, increase the power, or go over the mark again. This lens is an f-theta lens with a marking field of 150mm by 150mm. If mounting a fixed head laser in your assembly operation, it is important to have the appropriate distance dialed in before installation. An AutoMark representative can provide further details.